for a cool picture. Not of me though, just of the ices.
Welcome to Daly's Outdoors.
Alright, so I can't catch anything ice fishing, so I'm just gonna hike down to the little waterfall place. Check it out real quick. Too bad bike. That's not too bad. Most of it I can just walk on top of. I'm gonna use ice fishing poles because I'm being lazy. Oh, that was deep. Oh, there's a crane over there. Oh, there's a little pool of water. All right, let's see if we can get over there. All right, I'm back at the Southern Utah Waterfall. I really want to get a bigger tiger out of here, but look at this, it's freaking beautiful. That is beautiful. It's out all iced over. I'm gonna see if I can catch something out of right there. That's awesome. All right, get myself a piece of chub out. Even though I probably don't even need it, but might as well, I have it. I got it with me, so I'll do it. Because I was just ice fishing. Not catching anything. I mean, it should work. Should work just fine. It'll look kind of funny, but I think it'll be good. Let's see. All right, let's do this. Now how thick that ice is right there. That's what would be freaking sweet, is if I could stand on that ice. Let's see how thick it is real quick. Ooh. It's not too thick, but I think it'll be fine. Oh, big old cutthroat just came up and chased it. There we go, there we go. So one had it. One had it, but just barely. Come on. Let's go, baby. There we go, there we go. Oh, like I had it. Come on. Oh. Oh, one took it right there. Oh, that's freaking cool. Come on, baby. Let's get a big cutthroat here. Come on. Come on. But I could just jig it right here. Yep. Come on. Let's see. Come on. Ooh, there's one right here in front of me. There. Oh, he had it in his mouth. Come on, buddy, eat it. Gotta get one of these suckers to freaking eat it. It's kind of hard with this. Oh, fell through. Okay, let's get back up here. Oh, I think one has it right now. Yep, one's got it, one's got it, one's got it. Come on. Oh, he came off. He tore me off. Oh my gosh. Frick. Okay, well, they'll probably eat this thing too. Let's throw this marabou jig in, see if one of them takes it. All right, let's do this. Got me. New setup going. There we go. Come on, let's go, cutthroat. All right, let's see. maybe I can get out onto here fine. I might just break through again. Oops. Oh, I think something's got it. There's a fish on. Oh, come on. Come here. Yeah, boy. Got one. Got a little cutthroat. Yeah, buddy. There we go. That's a pretty cutthroat. All right, stop flipping around, man. Come on. There we go. He's off. Look at that guy. That's a pretty little guy. That's a pretty little cutthroat. There you go. There he goes, back in the water. There you go. Yeah. There's cutthroat for you. Boom, that's a fish. Oh, you got this all kinds of tangled up. What did you do? Hey, what did he do? This. That's a fish, boy. Not one of the big ones, but it's a fish nonetheless. Oh, I got the whole ice sheet. There you go. Oh, let's see. I'm over here real quick. There we go. I think one has it. There we go. Only thing is, it might be kind of hard to fish off from up here. Alright, you know what? Screw it. I might fall through, but that's okay. Oh, no. It's like fine. Oh, sure. Alright, is there anything right there? Come on, I know there's at least one guy in here. Back over here this way. Jogging through the snow. Oh. Oh, one had it. Come on. Yeah, got him, got him, got him. Boom, big cutthroat, baby. Yeah, not huge. Not tiny either, though. That's a good one. Oh, that's a dang good one. Boom. Probably that same one that's been freaking teasing me this whole time. Ah, stop. There we go. Boom. That's not a bad cutthroat. Nice. There we go. That's not a bad cutthroat. That's not bad at all. Hey. Almost. Almost. Throwing snowballs at me. Up in a sack. What? What? Yeah. Yeah? No, it's like 2:20. I just looked at the time. No. You ready to go to Mitersville? No. What? Sam, come here. Oh. Dang it.
My feet are so cold.
Okay, now say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Alright, I'm really happy I was able to catch at least a couple fish this weekend, because I wasn't having any luck at all the other places I was trying. Like, I tried Fish Lake and didn't have much luck there, because it's mostly all ice around the shoreline, except for right where Twin Creeks comes out. Twin Creek, I think, something like that. And then there's another spot that's open, the Navajo Lake was slow. And yeah, I was just really happy I caught some. And I was gonna do a catch and cook here, but I wasn't thinking when I caught the first two. But yeah. And what do you think, Sam?
I don't know.
Well, you don't know? Tell me.
I don't know.
Did you have fun ice fishing?
Mm-hmm.
Don't lie. You don't have to lie.
It was cold. I'm not lying. It was fun.
You're like, no, it sucked. The ice is kind of scary because it cracked a lot. It kind of scared us both a little bit, actually. But yeah. Merry Christmas. Sam, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Okay.
So we're watching Lincoln's Shrine. Go outdoors.